Oh, Rhema City, can you open up your mouth and begin to bless the name of your Father? A shoulder that the break upon the side, Rome the Silaino Peredeta, Shedda the Be Final Kai, Lend the Sarada, don't form for your maker, the one who formed you, a Salai Radiabondo, hey, Salera Babe. Oh, Father, we drop our titles, we drop whatever thing that we hold dear, and we approach your throne. Isaila Kaida with reckless abandon. Isaila Berepento, Ratakailo, oh, El Kibwa, Isolatai, El Leon, Esila Dara, El Elicha, Esoda de Bekopai, Meruadan the Silent, Ratatapapo. Hey! Come on, set your gaze on Jesus. Set your gaze on Jesus right now. This is holy moment when God walks in us. Every gaze is on the Lion and the Lamb. Set your gaze on Jesus. Oh, Shadabiyapana. This is holy moment. And when God walks, every gaze. Oh, Monaco Zion, we set our gaze on you. Oh, this is holy moment. Oh, Shaddai. Oh, Kai Merutai. We lay everything aside, oh God. When the war. Of the Lord, yes, all of my days is set on you. Every day is on you. When the glory comes. Ibubegi Jurigwe Ibubegi Jurua Ibubegi Ewegiato Ebubegi chimuno dingozi. Ebubegi julibe. Ebubegi jurua. Ebubegi ewegato. Ebubegi ezebuo. Hey, papa, hey, Kabiana. Lord, your glory fills the earth. Your glory, it knows no measure and bound. Lord, your glory is a blessing. It comes with blessing. Lord, your glory fills the heavens. Oh, your glory, it fills the earth. Your glory, I knows no measure. Just the waters. Raise it, raise it. Let your father hear you. One more time. Yatanai is here. I coming. Until they hear you from that place, they are calling your name. Let them know that the glory of your father comes with blessing. Ayade. Ebubegi. Sopai. Elohim Wahai. Eloi. Paridai. Hey, the seraphims. Akaimo. They are by your right and by your left. Hey. Okababai. Elu Fainai. Hey. Ayanina elavi paenai obi venunanina oli befayani elusianai mamunai elusaria bible I raise it oh ebubegi. This is the confidence that we have in you. Ebubegi odika kaya Emmanuel, Odiga Kaya, Emmanuel, Odiga Kaya. You can stand against Jesus. This is where you get vulnerability. Okay. Raise it. Let him hear you. Yes. Yes, yes. Imani dimao. Ay. Oh, your presence is so sweet, Jesus. Emmanuel. Until if this is all we do tonight, we have done enough. Emmanuel. Leave your titles behind and come before your Father. Imani demao. Open up your mouth. Open up your mouth. Open up your mouth. Shadabikapai. Rodakapipilatai. Otetikipai. Mundakapapai. Let it well from your inside. Ekodakai paindosai. Loakai menikai pai. This is called seraphic sound. You can raise your own sound now. You can raise your own sound now. I don't want you to depend on me to raise a sound. Oh, kapalindo sai. Raise your own sound. Kadidi. Oh, dada bembo soida. Hey. I hear it in my spirit. Okay. Eliasai pelikakai. Oh, it's very simple. Just a glimpse without. You are too great to behold. You're in the class of your own. You are covered in light. At your feet we bow. You are in the class of your own. You are Taivaradakai. So we sing. Oh,